How to hide following lists on Instagram. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So first of all guys, if you want to hide your Instagram following list, so what you need to do, you need to just open the Instagram, and once you open, you will tap on the bottom right corner of the profile icon. Once you do that, you will see my Instagram following list here, and you just tap on it. You will able to see my following list on Instagram, but I want to hide all of them from. So yeah, first off the top, tap on the three dots. Simply you're gonna tap on it, account privacy when you find, and enable the toggle private account. Just tap on it and switch to private. Once you tap on it, and it will ask for the private account, but it will not turn on because my account is turn on professional, but your account is normal mode, so you can easily do this. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this.